Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling a common check engine light issue, the P0446 trouble code, which relates to your car's evaporative emission control system. If you've got this code, don't worry. I'll walk you through the possible causes, how to diagnose it, and the steps to fix it yourself. Let's get started. What is code P0446? It indicates a malfunction in the evaporative emission control EVAP system vent control circuit. Now let's talk about the most common symptoms you look for. Check engine light illuminate. Rough idling or stalling, especially after refueling. Poor gas mileage, also your wallet will feel it. Strong fuel smell and dangerous if ignored. Failed emissions test if your state checks it. If you're experiencing any of these, keep watching, because next we'll cover the root causes. Failed purge valve, most common. Damaged or corroded wiring. Blown fuse means EVAP system fuse. Loose or disconnected vacuum hose. Faulty PCM, rare, but possible. Here are simple to DIY methods you can try solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Inspect the gas cap condition. Look for any damage, cracks, or obstructions that might prevent a proper seal. Ensure a tight seal. Make sure the cap is securely fastened and that the rubber seal is in good condition. Clean with the WD-40 cleaner. While WD-40 can be used to clean the gas cap and seal, it's not a primary solution to the P0446 code. If the cap is damaged or the seal is worn, replace it with a new one to ensure a proper seal. Method B, the charcoal canister. Most fuel vapor canisters are located on the driver's side near the rear tire. Carefully remove the charcoal canister from your vehicle. Locate the fuel filler pipe. Inject clean water through the fuel filler pipe to flush out the charcoal canister. Allow the canister to dry completely. Once dry, reinstall it securely back into the vehicle. After fixing the issue, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take a test drive. If the code doesn't return, you fixed it. P0446 is usually a simple fix, often just a bad purge valve or wiring issue. If the code comes back, check for vacuum leaks or PCM problems, but in most cases, this should solve it. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.